Okay, so this is the 6th update of my Pygame Raycaster. I've added two things. One is directional audio. So hear this water sound. It's supposed to be coming from this guy right here. If I turn around, it like it changes direction and makes it actually feel like it's coming from that side. So I implemented that in a sound module called sound.py right here. Second thing I added, as you might have already saw, are animated entities. So this cacodemon right here is animated, but he's also directional. So it's animated and directional at the same time. I go around him showing a different sprite for direction, but it's also animated. So that's it looks really cool. I implemented that in a class I called Entity X, which is like extended version of the entity class. Yeah.